Hey guys, Hazen Warlick here, ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to sell WaterFed technology to skeptics. So at one point or another in your WaterFed window cleaning experience, you're probably going to encounter some customer pushback. You're relying on your customer to believe in you that when you leave these windows wet, they're going to dry spot-free when they have no idea about this technology. You're cleaning all the same windows in half the time without using any chemicals, any squeegees, or using any ladders. It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. So the most important thing to successfully convince your customers that WaterFed window cleaning technology is right for them is to be an expert. Take the time to become proficient and understand exactly how this works, so when you're asked the questions, you'll know exactly how to answer it and you'll be telling them truthfully. Being an expert goes a long way, and if you are confident in your system, they're going to know it immediately. So here are the benefits of WaterFed window cleaning to your customer. Number one, there's no invasion of privacy, and in multi-tenant buildings, this is a great selling point. Places like retirement homes, condos, apartments, even schools, offices, or federal buildings where they don't want you necessarily looking in their windows on a ladder. The next thing is that it's chemical free. In today's environmentally friendly society, this is huge. People don't want you using harmful chemicals around their house, pets, and children. This is another great selling point. And finally, you have to tell your customer that they are getting a better clean, which will last longer, and they're getting the frames done for the same amount of money. What's not to like about that? So we've just talked about a few ways to sell WaterFed to skeptics. We have plenty more resources available on this. Check out the link below in the description, and thanks so much for watching.